Assalamualaikum kids. Today I have a new video with you in which I will teach you how sky letter, grass letter and root letters. I hope you will like my videos. Let's get started. What are sky letters? Sky letters that we write upper 3 lines. For example, I, K, F, T, D, H and B. What are grass letter? Grass letter that we write exactly between the two middle lines. For example, C, O, I, E, Z, V, W, X, S, A, U, R, N and M. What are root letters? Root letters that we write on lower 3 lines. For example, P, Q, J, Y and G. Lesson review kids. Sky letters I, K, F, T, D, H and B. And grass letters C, O, I, E, Z, V, W, X, S, A, U, R, N and M. And root letters P, Q, J, Y and G. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my videos.